All right, well, the rain stopped. We're out on the bass raider. We're making a wake. We got the 30-pound thrust, 5-speed Minn Kota kicking. Trying to get on plane right now. Robbie's with us. We're gonna hit the back of docks. See if we can't yank a couple monsters in. We got one little bluegill bass or catfish candy out at the end of the dock, so we may come back to a big prize. Got him. Oh, you suck. Had him. Well, signs of life. Didn't suck the hook well. Robbie's got a fish on. Monster. But it is fish number one for the night. And we're going to take it. Good hook set too for Mr. Dinker. Beautiful. I had one jump off about that size and Robbie got a fish. We're in success zone now. Hey. Robbie's got fish number two. We're kind of running out of daylight, so we're not catching the catches on film, but we're at least getting the fish and we'll get the release. There we go. Oh, not by far and away the most gentle release, but minor concuss.
That's what it gets for taking the bait.
Yeah, he stole your bait, so that's paybacks. Those bandito bugs are what, probably $1.75 a piece. Good fish, 2 fish night. Robbie's on top water. He's got on the Yozuri. He took the alternative cast. Didn't take the obvious cast. Oh, that's a much better fish. That's a real good Yozuri fish. He has approximately 4 hooks in him. So we'll let Robbie get the hooks out and film the release. Alright, Robbie got a good one on the Yozuri. There's another video with that Yozuri frog popper. That thing's 3D and legit. We're gonna get the underwater release. Getting right down into the business. Legit! He swam to the camera. I love it. Okay guys, we got a fish online on the little bluegill that we put out. Robbie noticed the rod shaking. That's abnormal at best. It may not be a monster, but he's definitely down under the dock. And we're gonna go see exactly what we got on here. But it was catfish candy. I'm betting bass. Robbie? Although he's shaking it like a catfish. Might be a little channel cat. Let's go get him. Maybe bluegill got something. It's not massive. It could be. It might just be tired. But we think it's a little channel cat. Which is exactly what it was. Oh, he's chirping. Chirping a little bit. Good looking little fish though. Very healthy. We don't need pliers. I'll show you what a man does. Get right under those barbs. Pop that out. That's how a man does it. Dang it. Or you get gigged and you get a hook in your hand. But that's a good looking little catfish. These guys, they're really pretty. You got a little pattern on them, usually some spots. And he just ate that little baby bluegill. And he's going back. Goes back where he belongs. Goodbye, Mr. Channel Cat. 4 fish night. 1 loss by me. Legit. We'll take it. See ya. That's a bigger fish too. And the capper on the night. You actually heard Robbie yell, yep, he ate it. And he ended up getting off, but he didn't get off that time. That's a big one. We're gonna weigh that guy. End of the night pass. Hold on, hold on, hold on, mister. Oh, you got it now, under the lip.
Can't really lip it.
I got forceps. Here you go. Perfect for that situation. That guy's a good fish right there. Best tool you can have on your dock. Came out and hit it once. Came back and got it. Got him free. Alright, now we can lip him. Now we can weigh him. That's a good fish right there. So we'll take a second. We'll get the weight.